following set of tutorials, we're going to be working with selections in Photoshop. And we're going to start off with techniques that are really down and dirty, and then go to techniques that are a little bit more refined but take a little bit longer time. Let's begin with the Magic Eraser. Open up the Desk Magic Eraser JPEG, and you'll see this is going to be a really easy object for us to create a selection on. Now you'll notice that there's a lot of contrast between the edge of the object and the background. That makes the selection method really easy. Let's set up a file so that we can see the results of this selection. So you're going to be doing this with pretty much all the files. I'm going to double click on the name background on the layers and then create a new layer, find a color which is not the same as the original color of the object, and then fill that new layer with that color by using the Alt backspace method, and that does a fill based upon the foreground. Alternately, Control backspace will fill it with the background color, but I want the foreground color, so it's obvious. Now I'm going to drag that underneath the existing layer, and then click back on that layer because that's where I want to use this tool. Now to locate the Magic Eraser, we need to go down to the Eraser tool and find Magic Eraser underneath it. Now this is a one-click process to do a selection, as long as you've got a really nice selectable object. It's really easy. Just click once and you'll see that we've deleted all of the white background, everything that is contiguous and is about the same color. And that's what this thing up here is, tolerance. Tolerance allows us to change how close to the original color we're going to be changing things. Now that we are done with this file, let's go ahead and do File, Save, and it's going to save a Photoshop in the same folder as the rest of the files, and we can close that and go on with the rest of the tutorials.